So if you have been following, you see that from the income statement, we got a profit of 38,100. Now we want to do the capital account. This one is easy. You just need to know that your capital goes on the credit side, the balance from the beginning, the capital balance from the beginning goes on the credit side. And your profit, because it increases your capital, it also goes on the credit side. And drawings, they reduce your capital, so they're going to be on the debit side. So like here, when we started the year, that was in 2021. I'm going to be like not very specific about the dates, but 2021, 1 September, when we started the year, our balance on capital, which is balance BD, was how much? Was simply 400,000. Yeah, 400,000. Where am I getting this? If you actually have this paper from 2022 October November, you will see that it's actually well stated in the what in the trial balance, isn't it? So our balance BD for the capital was actually how much? It was 400,000. This amount. That's what will come with to our capital account as a balance BD at the beginning of the what. And we actually know that our profit, right? We got profit from the income statement that we just did, 38,100. We're going to put it again on the credit what? On the credit side. We're going to put it again on the credit side. That's what we're going to do. So we come down here, then we say profit for the year, isn't it? How much was it? It was 38 what? 38 100. So it goes also on the credit what? On the credit side, because it increases your what? Your capital balance. So this is basically at the end of the year now, which was now in 2020 what? 2022. So you have to put these dates like specifically to say is it 31 August 2022, profit for the year 38 100, isn't it? So I'm just doing this so that I can help you. Drawings at the end of that same year, right, which is our 30 August, 31 August 2022. Where how much were our drawings? I think if we go back to our trial balance, we can get how much these drawings were. So our drawings were actually um 18,500. 18,500 was our drawings. So they go on the what? They go on the debit side. Yeah. Why? Because they actually reduce your capital. So they can't be on the same side where your capital balance is, isn't it? So these are your drawings. Remember, drawings represent any amounts that the owner takes out of the business. For personal use, it can be in terms of money, or they can be goods that we have taken out of the business. So they go there on the what? On the credit side. Why? Because they reduce on the debit side, because they reduce your capital. So your capital balance at the beginning of the year, credit. Profit for the year, credit, because it increases your capital balance. Then your drawings, you debit. And then after doing that, what do you do next? What you simply do next is you now get your totals. You're going to see that here you're going to have 438 100. It's also going to be the same thing here. 438 what? 100. 438 100, like this. And then if you're going to say 438 100, subtract your what? To get your balance CD here, balance CD, right? You're going to see that if you say 438 100 minus 18,500, you get 419,600 on this side, isn't it? 419,600. That's great. I actually have a guy who is actually helping me here, so he calculated for me. So you get 419,600. This 419,600 now, you know what? As at 1 September, right? As at 1 September, it becomes now your what? It becomes your bow what? It becomes your bow balance BD. That becomes your balance brought down now, which is how much? Which is 419,600. Which means this is now how much capital we are what? We are left with after taking out some drawings of 18,500. You see, that's your capital account, as easy as that. As easy as that. So just know that your capital balance at the beginning of the year, credit. Your profit for the year, credit again, because it increases your what? Your capital balance. Then your drawings go on the debit because they reduce your what? They reduce your profit, your capital, in fact. So the balancing figure now, the balance CD becomes your capital balance at the beginning of the next year. Don't lose marks on this one. This one is actually quite easy.